The facilitator will use scaffolds to guide learners through the predictable stages of the PBL cycle. A toolbox containing hard and soft scaffolds and a whiteboard will be utilized. The hard scaffolds consist of purposeful handouts. The soft scaffolds tools are facilitation strategies and techniques such as redirecting, revoicing, summarizing, surfacing, just-in-time conferencing and fading of instructor assistant. In the introductory opening to the class, collaborative groups will be structured in groups of 4 according to elementary or secondary license pursuit, to foster shared knowledge construction. The facilitator will provide a session review. A hard scaffold that outlines the establishment of group norms and the PBL process of group brainstorming and exploration will be reviewed. Facilitator will introduce learners to the problem space and clarify questions regarding the problem statement and focus question. Teacher candidates will select 4 students from the student profiles for differentiated instruction for their unit plan, and begin to discuss their initial thoughts about the ill-structured problem. The teacher candidates will collaborate in small groups to clarify their understanding of the problem, and identify key issues regarding unit planning and diverse learning needs to identify solutions. They will evaluate and analyze prior knowledge and knowledge deficiencies, as well as generate hypotheses on possible solutions. At this point, the teacher candidates collaborate to determine the information they will need to reach a solution to the problem. They then proceed to research information and reliable sources to address those limitations and gaps in understanding. Once they have completed research, students will collaborate to discuss the hypotheses they originally put forth in consideration of new knowledge obtained from their research. They will examine and formulate possible revised solutions, and then utilize the handout entitled Synthesis Notes to forward the goal of reaching consensus within their group. The facilitator will conduct a collaborative discussion and brainstorming session with the entire class using the whiteboard as a facilitation strategy. The teacher candidates will return to collaborate in their small groups to reflect on new understandings. They will then use handouts to outline sources that assisted better understanding of the problem and supported finding a solution. In addition, they will collaborate on detailing the components of a unit plan and create differentiated instructional strategies with justifications and rationale. Finally, they will each begin their draft of the unit plan assignment due at a later date. The assessments completed by participants in this activity will consist of an individual class reflection as well as an online reaction survey. This activity will close with a whole class discussion, review of PBL process, clarification of any questions, and a review of unit plan draft and final assignment. In addition, a work session reinforcement learning opportunity is offered to all teacher candidates the following week.